Hi, I am Sorin Predescu, Content Manager of Connect, and in this video we want to present you Global Snow for Unity, an asset that allows you to evolve any scene from any environment to a snowy one. Global Snow works with your existing scene, including standard terrain, trees and grass, SpeedTree and many other shaders. You don't have to change your shaders or use new snowed prefabs. After importing the asset, you will get a new folder inside your project manager called Global Snow that contains demos for you to take a first look into what you could achieve with the asset, documentation with information and main configuration of Global Snow to get you started, and finally, editor, resources and scripts folders that contain necessary resources for the asset to work properly. Starting to work with Global Snow is very easy. You just have to select your main camera and in the inspector panel add the Global Snow script to it. Once you're done with this step, you will be able to see the different options that you can play with to get a snowy result for your scene in particular. We can divide these options in 6 different main features of the asset. In the Scene Setup tab, you will be able to set the main sun of the scene and also change different values that will affect how the asset will behave. The quality option allows you to choose between 3 quality presets that will automatically set the snow appearance to match fastest, medium and best quality visual effect. Starting from this point, we can play with the actual values related to how the snow is going to behave in our scene. And playing with the first option, which is coverage, lets you choose the layers of the scene that you want to be affected by the snow or not. Set the altitude where the snow should start, change ground coverage values and also how the snow will interact with trees and grass, among many other values related to the snow coverage over the scene. The appearance feature will determine how the snow effect will be shown in the scene, by choosing the amount of snow that we want, its intensity, sharpness, noise and many other options related to the snow appearance. And by playing with all these values, we can adapt the snow effect to any kind of game category, obtaining an astonishing snow effect. Global Snow comes with extra features that will give you the final enhancement to the effect. Into a snowy environment, the option to set marks and footsteps will be the final touch of realism. And of course, you will also be able to activate snowfall and play with its values to match your desired result. For example, by adjusting the snowfall speed and terrain mark duration will get you the effect of the marks being covered by the snowfall. Finally, the mask editor allows you to freely add and remove snow in any part of the scene. This feature is very powerful because you will have the possibility of removing the snow in places that the effect shouldn't be shown and manually add it wherever you want over the terrain. Don't forget that if you have any doubt regarding this explanation and the asset, you can contact us or visit the official Unity Asset Store for more information about it. Thank you for watching this video.